Hello guys. So today we're gonna take this like Easter egg that comes in a set of three and it comes all together. This is in Dollar Tree and it's like for $5. This one how you're supposed to place it around one on top of each other like that, and you're supposed to decorate it like that super nice. So we're gonna use it different ways. We're gonna place it upside down like that. You see how it has a hole right in the middle? Then I'm gonna place the second one inside because the hole is smaller and it will be better for me to attach the floor foam. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my fluorofoam. I'm gonna place hot glue on the corner of the fluorofoam like that, and then just gonna place it inside, place it upside side up, and then place it inside like that. Just go ahead and attach it into place. Then grab another one, and you're going to put a hot glue, and then you're gonna do the same thing and place it inside as well. Then after that, I'm gonna grab a few of these branches and place it around. I think it will look better just with the lighter branches, but you decide which one you guys will like. Then go ahead and fill it up with the branches. Then I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it around like that just to cut it into apart. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it inside. You're gonna place a few of these white flower around it as well. And we also gonna take this yellow one and do the same thing we did before and just place it around. So we're gonna use different color of the flower and place it around like that. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Super cute. I put a little cute bunny butt on the top, which I think it looks super great and it's so cute as well. Now for the next idea, we're gonna do all pink. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the other color flower out. I'm gonna take a few of the green branches out as well, and I'm just gonna fill it up with pink roses all the way around it like that. Then I'm gonna take my bunny and place it right in the middle. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so cute, so simple, and so easy that you guys can do at home. And I think you could also paint the little bucket if you guys would like. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take the bunny, and we're gonna take another stick because that one is too small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it together like that and then just attach it into place like that. So once you do that, I'm gonna put the little other egg inside like that, just place it all the way around. And then this is just to attach it on top of the other bucket. And this is how cute, you guys, it would turns out. Super cute, so simple and easy that you guys can do. And I think it looks so cute. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of these glass from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take my floor foam, put some hot glue, and we're going to attach the floor foam to the glass like that. Just hold it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna put some hot glue around the mirror and then attach the other part right in there to attach it into place. Then go ahead and put a few of those cute little branches and flower inside. You're gonna fill it up all the way around it like that. And for to be able to attach, you see how this one has a little hole in there. So we're gonna grab this floor foam and we're gonna put some hot glue around it at the edges and then attach it to the egg like that. So then after that, I'm gonna take this balloon stick and place it right in there with some hot glue just to attach it into place. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place it through the floor and attach to the floor foam at the bottom. Then go ahead, like you have floor foam at the top already, just fill it up with flour around as well. And in this one, we're gonna take a little bit of this floor foam. I'm gonna take a stick and I'm gonna put some hot glue and attach it into place like that. I'm gonna put more hot glue on top and then just attach more floor foam just to better attach it. Then after you guys do that, you could put another piece just for better attachment. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on the top and then just go ahead and place it inside and attach the egg like that until it hold on into place. Then after that, just go ahead and place it inside because you already have the floor from at the bottom and then just attach it in there. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think it came out super cute. You guys can also add some flower at the bottom part if you guys would like. And I think it also looks great with flower at the bottom. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.